Hello, everyone. Welcome to Emily.RPA Academy, the easiest general-purpose RPA tutorial channel to get started. In this video, we will introduce how to use the Retrieve Content tool. This tool allows you to save the content of a web page. For example, if you need to save the text content of the Emily official documentation, you can use this tool. To use this tool, open Emily Training Mode and navigate to the Web Automation Tool page within the Emily official documentation. Once on the page, if you want to save the description text under Import File, click on that text. You will see the node for that text on the left side, indicating that Emily has detected the node. Next, provide a file name for the text you want to save below, and click Test. The working folder will open containing a text file. Open the file and you will find the content you saved. Return to Emily and at the bottom, check the All option. Click Test again and check the TMP folder. You will see many TXT files because Emily has saved the content of all similar nodes. If you need to save a large amount of similar content from a web page later, you can check the All option. In addition to text, you can also use Screen to capture a screenshot of the node, use File to save the web page as an HTML file, and use Image to save images. Please note that you don't need to add a file extension to the file name. However, if you select the node path as an HTML table tag and want to save it as a text file, naming the file extension as lowercase .csv will automatically convert the table content into CSV format. If everything is correct, you can end the training and upload the skill with a chosen name. To modify the skill, follow these steps. 1. Click on the skill you want to modify. 2. Locate the Retrieve Content step and click on it. 3. Find the third to last step named Tweak. 4. Copy the URL from the previous 2 steps. Now, scroll to the bottom and click on Insert Comments. paste the copied URL, and click Retrieve Content again. You can click on different areas and you will see the node changing. Use this to identify the desired node and save different content. Click on the first small icon, then copy the appeared node. After copying, click Cancel and Stop. Delete the last two steps. Paste the copied node back into the original steps and change it to save an image. Click OK and save the skill. After making the changes, execute the skill to see the results. Open the Results folder and you will find the saved image from the modified steps. The saved file name can actually be dynamically changed. Assuming the workspace already contains a file named filename.txt with the content import, let's go back to the Retrieve Content step. Change the file name to %filename%, then the file name can be dynamically changed. This is the content of this course. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment or post a question on the official forum. Thank you. We will see you next time.